All right, once our ragu has come to a boil, we're going to want to turn the heat down on it. So we have it at 8. We're going to turn it down to about 5. We want to give it a stir so that the chicken is moving around and that it cooks evenly. All right, now we'll turn our attention back to our rice, and we have our garlic cut. So now we're going to cut our oregano. And again, we're going to cut right through all these stems. They should be fairly soft. And after we've bunched it up and gone over it 3 times, we'll again use this hand to steady our knife and cut with the back part of the knife, which is the sharpest part of the knife. We'll drag it towards us until all of the stems and leaves have been cut up. Now we're going to go back to the other half of our red pepper. We'll cut the top off, open it up, remove the seeds, and then cut it into a small dice.